Hello and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rohan. Congratulations on your profile going live on the platform. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what happens next and what you can expect. You can log in and out of your Easy License instructor account by visiting our website and clicking on the instructor login button in the top right hand side of the page. Now that your account is active and live on the platform, that means that learners will be able to discover you via the Easy License website and book in directly into your calendar. When you receive your first Easy License booking, you will receive an SMS, an email, and a notification will appear in the notification section in the top right hand side of your instructor account. For example, I can see that Sally S has made a new booking 17 minutes ago. I can also see that the new booking has come up under the upcoming bookings section in my dashboard. The last place we can see the new booking appear is in your calendar. To navigate to your calendar, use the drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of your screen and select Calendar. Once I am in my calendar, I can see that my new booking has appeared 10 AM with Sally on the 30th. Please note that when you get a booking notification and it appears in your profile and in your calendar, the booking has already been confirmed with the learner and they have already paid for it. So there is nothing that you need to do apart from turn up to the lesson. You can reach out to the learner to confirm if you would like as well. To find out more about how to use and monitor your Easy License account, please visit our support section. You will find this in the drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of your screen, and you can click Support. Once in the support section, you can use the search bar to search up what you're looking for or submit a request to talk to our customer service team. Two of the articles and videos I recommend you have a look at is the driver instructor setting up your mobile device, so saving the Easy License website to your home screen, and also checking out the tips for instructors delivering a positive lesson experience. This will help you deliver excellent lessons and keep your learners happy. And the last thing to mention is that myself or another Easy License team member will be in touch within the first 2 to 4 weeks of you being live on the platform. Here we can discuss how you've been finding your experience, your current performance on the platform, and also answer any other questions that you might have. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.